time to review the full Standard 6 Content Knowledge and Professional Growth using resources from ISTE and Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 3 components. This analysis by Fairfax County organizes these components into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and supports the whole purpose behind these modules, primarily that coaches and other educators are lifelong learners that can guide their own learning. They can evaluate and reflect on what works and what you have learned. Whether you are currently an SBIT or are considering becoming one, reflect on ways you currently guide your own continuous learning. Whom else at your building or within the district might you reach out to learn about the ways they like to learn? What roles can you play to help others engage in continually learning, to manage changes in content and pedagogical knowledge and technology integration? Download the accompanying companion document and use it to create your own goals for this module. What do you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet your goals? Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet those goals, and determine how you will know whether you have done so successfully. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use to continually learn and engage in self-evaluation and self-reflection. You may want to review these before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review all of the resources or complete all the suggested activities. You determine which resources will help you reach your goals and be successful. Understanding this may include resources beyond what is listed here.